If you need to request a refund from Apple Music, follow these straightforward steps to ensure your request is processed smoothly. Step 1. Open the Apple Music app. Launch the Apple Music app on your device. Make sure you are signed in with the Apple ID associated with your subscription. Step 2. Access your account settings. Navigate to the account section, usually found in the menu of settings. Here, you can find information about your subscription and payment details. Step 3. Find purchase history. Look for the purchase history option within your account settings. This section will display all your recent transactions related to Apple Music. Step 4. Select the transaction. Locate the specific transaction for which you want a refund. Tap on it to view more details, including the date and amount charged. Step 5. Request a refund. Follow the prompts to request a refund. You may need to provide a reason for the request. Submit your request and wait for a confirmation email from Apple regarding the status of your refund. Once you have completed these steps, keep an eye on your email for updates from Apple. If your request is approved, the refund will be processed according to their policy.